So I'm just putting together some resources about how to personalize your website. And what I want to tell you is that it's going to take the whole course to personalize it. Every couple days, I'll be asking you to put things onto your website and republish it. And it will become a living document that tracks your learning and your thinking. We'll also use some assignments within the VLE, but a lot of your assessment and evaluation will come from your learning portfolio. One of the things that will be important to me is that you personalize it, that you don't just go for the default template, that you learn how to change images, that you figure out your own design, and that will be part of your learning. I have some examples of websites that I've used in the past, so I'm actually going to take you to that just so that you have a sense of what it might look like. How am I going to get there? So I tend to use Sample Student as my website, but you'll see that on this page, the home page, I have about me. It's actually about myself. With inspiration, I have a couple things on here. And then this is a site. Now, this was used for last quad, and it's not going to be exactly the same for the other site, but I used it as a way of demonstrating what your page might look like. One of the things I used for my headers was that I liked graffiti, so every page has a graffiti image that I was able to borrow. I also gave a source for where that image came from. So in this case, it's Bankskis. I can't even speak anymore. Image up here. So that's going to be something that will take some time. You won't get it perfect right away, but you'll just work on it when you have a little bit of time here and there. And then also we'll have some days where we just build and you get some feedback and you realize how you might take it to the next level. So given that, that's where you're going. Today, to get you started, I'm going to introduce you to the concept of sandboxing, and that's the next video.